Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to get a price adjustment on Temu. So let's get started. First, open Temu app on your mobile device. Then go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Then type the name of any item you want. Then you'll see many options at the top like filters, sort by categories, size, and colors. Go ahead and tap on sort by. Here you can adjust the price from low to high and high to low. For now, I'll select price low to high, and there we go. Temu will now suggest me cheap shoes and I can adjust it by tapping on sort by. Now you know how to adjust price on Temu. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.